Based in Bangor, Maine, Penquis is dedicated to improving the lives of people across the state of Maine. This mission is led by President and CEO Kara Hay, who with a team of nearly 600 staff members and over 400 volunteers provide support and resources to empower families through a wide range of programs and services.
We serve communities throughout Maine, which is a large rural state. It has such incredible beauty and also some significant challenges, including having an aging population, old housing stock, limited transportation options, as well as high rates of poverty and substance use disorders. All of the work of Penquis is predicated on the belief that if you give the individuals the supports they need, they will live healthier, happier lives, which is good not just for the individuals, but also for the communities in which they live. I am incredibly proud of the breadth of services we offer. In the last 9 years, we have grown from an annual operating budget of $30 million to over $100 million. We now offer over 70 programs, and we serve between 3,500 to 5,000 people on any given day, and 30,000 people each year.
Penquis's early childhood education programs are essential for giving young children from low-income homes a solid foundation for learning and development.
Our incredible staff foster a love of learning and also provide children with the skills they need to thrive in school and beyond.
But it's not just the child who benefits. Through a whole family approach, the entire family is supported to achieve their own goals. Through Penquis's many youth programs, youth are supported in a variety of ways that help them to make healthy decisions and to feel connected, valued, and invested both in themselves and in their communities.
Unfortunately, Maine has high overdose rates, and many children have lost parents and friends to substance use disorders. Our substance-affected youth program partners with schools to provide supports to youth who've been impacted by others' substance use. Our staff provides support and mentorship to these students, and they often say this is the first time they've been able to confide in someone. This program is really impacting their lives.
Penquis also provides resources to support healthy, meaningful, and productive lives and strong, nurturing families.
We are thrilled to be providing transitional housing supports and coaching to women in recovery and their children in partnership with a local healthcare organization.
Transitional housing is only one of the ways Penquis addresses critical housing needs. Penquis is a housing developer that currently has more than 400 housing units across 34 different developments.
Our current project that we are wildly excited about is a partnership with the University of Maine and Maine Housing to actually create the first in the nation 100% bio-based 3D printed neighborhood. Maine is in a housing crisis, and this type of innovation is key to building homes sustainably, quickly, and affordably.
Penquis increases financial stability through education and lending programs.
Penquis provides home ownership classes, and through our mainstream finance services, home and business loans to individuals who don't qualify through other financing.
In the state of Maine, transportation is one of the hardest things to navigate. Due to the lack of mass transit, the distance our rural residents must travel to access services, and inclement weather during the winter months.
Last year, we provided 14.5 million miles of transportation services. That equates to 585 times around the Earth, or the distance from the Earth to the Moon and back, over 30 times. Simply amazing.
Penquis credits much of its success to its extensive collaborations.
We have roughly 500 community partnerships, which has helped us expand our advocacy. And we are so fortunate to have strong relationships on the local, state, and national level. Our partnerships have allowed us to accomplish so much, including creating a children's advocacy center to help children and families who've experienced sexual assault. We've also passed legislation that bolsters and lifts families, and we've mobilized the community to support thousands of households with school supplies, Thanksgiving meals, winter coats, and gifts for the holidays.
It's clear that both Penquis and its CEO have earned the respect of organizations and professionals across Maine and the nation.
What matters the most to us is that our community knows that we are here for them, that we're a resource during the most challenging times. And also, there's work to be done. Penquis remains deeply committed to creating the change needed to improve Maine lives.
Penquis and its president and CEO, Kara Hay, are champions for Maine residents. Through tireless commitment and unwavering dedication, Penquis is building a brighter future for the people of Maine.